So, just jumped over a king brown snake whilst running. That was so lucky. I just, yeah, instincts, autopilot, saw it, jumped over it, and it slid off. And my boy, he was way behind me, so all good. You tuck it out, eh? Where is he? Yeah, geez. Australia. Australia, love it. Whoa, head spin. So, if I were to get bitten, I would have, my heart rate was up so high from running, I would have lay down and called 000. And after all this, I am going to get myself a snake bite kit and also do some research on what to actually do if you're bitten by a snake. I should carry around at least, like a scarf. A scarf with you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Good learning experience. Eagle eyes. I must have. Gee, I feel so lucky. Yeah. After doing some research, on second thoughts, I think it might have actually been a tiger snake. Still a fatal bite. But yeah, not the ideal time to be out. Ideal for snakes being, the middle of the day, lounging around in the sun, sunbaking, warming up. Yeah. Real lucky, eh? Good thing I've got ninja skills. Oh, I made a sound when I jumped over. How could I not? When I saw it, autopilot, jumped over it. Yeah. Real lucky. Real lucky. Go ninja skills. Go.